Here we are at 5465 Fox Valley Lane. Doing a quality control inspection. First thing we noticed, some debris in the yard as well as the weeds. Need to make sure this is on the cut list. This lawn definitely needs to be mowed. Structurally, the home is in good shape on the outside. On the left side of the home, it appears there was some repairs done. As you can see, the fresh concrete at the base there, at the foundation. And just to give you a perspective of the hole that was left behind, I've gone ahead and put our Rent from Bravo sign in there so we can get an idea that that's about 11, almost 12 inches deep of a hole, and it's probably about 3 or 4 foot by 3 foot. So that obviously is a tripping hazard. And I need to fill that in with some clay and rock, maybe tamp that down. Let's go inside. This home is beautiful. Did a really good job. Brand new carpet. Paint looks great. Gone ahead and sealed up the fireplace. One less thing to worry about in cleaning and taking care of, so I'm all for that myself. Water is hot. And that's even after having all systems on. Going in the kitchen now. Notice we do have gas heat burning in that brand new stove. Do have one area of concern with this type of vent hood. It appears, if you listen closely, you can barely hear that fan on. And the same way the other way. So I do not believe either it's hooked up properly, or perhaps there's a short in these vent hoods that we've been getting. Need to check that for proper installation, as I've noticed on a couple others. Same thing, the vent hood does not, the fan doesn't blow. Brand new appliances. Home is in, again, like I said earlier, outstanding shape. Formal dining room up here. We do have smoke detectors, but I've yet to spot a carbon monoxide sensor. We do need that installed. Here in the garage we have the air conditioning unit, as well as our water heater. You notice on the bottom of the air conditioning unit, there's no pan. There's just water that's sitting there on the ground. And unfortunately, you won't be able to see at this angle, but there's water dripping down the right side. There's water actually dripping down the right side of the unit. I don't know if you're able to see that in real action. There it goes. So we've got that on film now. Right side of the ductwork needs to be secured and that dried out. Go on upstairs. Almost left out this closet. Coat closet, again, one of the many smoke detectors here in the house. Really good job on the paint, trim. Let's take a look here in the master. We did have one concern in the master as far as plumbing goes. And that is the actual toilet. Did not clear the bowl. Our master sink kind of drains a little slow there. All I did was drop a napkin in there to test. As you can see, nothing happens. And that happens even when you hold the handle down the whole time. So I recommend that gets adjusted. One of our attic accesses. No signs of water damage or anything along the ceiling. It's been kept in great shape. And that concludes our inspection here at Fox Valley Lane